Today we're on to the next step of installing the sprayer. And it ships with two gaskets. One has a little mesh, more like if you're installing it in your house to filter out particulates, but I'll only ever be filling the Wooter with regular tap water that's already been through this. So I'm going to use just a regular rubber washer here. Now the 90 allows swivel as you're tightening it, so it doesn't free spin after it's down, but allows you to position it how you would like. So I'm just gonna back thread a little and finger tight. I do know in the front there's more territory over here than the edge of the Wooter. So I'm gonna just go full 90 to the central axis here. And since I couldn't find my crescent wrench, I'm going to use some channel locks with a towel. And it looks like I need to double up on the towel. I'm just going slow until I feel the pivot start to tighten up so it's not free spinning anymore. Okay. So as you depress the lever, it will change the amount of pressure coming out, and it's already got some nozzle openings so that you should have a pretty concentrated spray. The brass insert has threads for home type shower and sink fittings, and I'm told that that's just a normal thread that if you wanted to change out to a garden hose type thread, you could likely find an adapter for that. So we'll get that snugged up and be ready for first fill in place. It's a little cooler today, so you don't get to see my rock and sandal tank, but we'll get some more content on the way.